Morning, one and all. It's Tuesday. No idea of the day, but I'll probably put it before this little clip. Holiday was brilliant. Really good time, really relaxing. We got back on the Friday night. I think we were back home and in bed for 1:45 in the morning. And then it were back to reality. Saturday I had the kids running around like an headless chicken. Absolutely busy. Then Sunday was catching up with work. Met a client, did some site visits. Busy. And then Monday it was literally back to work, back to gym. Busy. So it's literally been non-stop since I got back. So just before I went away, I think I did mention about I had some issues with revaluations on a few of my properties. Well, it's been a little bit stressful, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, it's been very stressful trying to come up with solutions and trying to see a way out of the predicament that I've got myself in, basically. I will go into it in more detail, but I'm still ironing out a couple of bits and bobs, and then I'll talk about it and let people use it as a little bit of a warning more than anything. You know, you learn off real world how things can actually affect you, you know. I did not envisage the market going as badly as it has done in the last 12-13 months when I was originally buying the properties, and yeah, now I'm paying a little bit of a price. So basically I've been having a little think about stuff, life, general, and in a nutshell I might take a little bit of a break from doing these little videos. I've slipped back into working a lot, which I don't want to, in a nutshell. Feeling a little bit stressed with a few little bits and bobs, and basically I'm gonna have a little bit of a focus on putting myself first, trying to reduce my workload. Want to be in a position where when I see my kids, I'm not sneaking off to do bits of work and I'm actually spending quality time with them. Yeah. So, you know, I mentioned previously about stopping doing the major renovation stuff. That's definitely happening now. We're not doing them, so I won't feel the benefit of that until probably May, June this year, because we've still got some big renovation purchases underway. So that's sort of a delayed thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of a focus on like my health, my mind. Just, you know, I've got another 6 years before I'm knocking in like the full-time work, so I'm basically changing my working stance from a sprint, which I've been doing since 2017, working every hour God sends, killing myself, taking big risks, putting myself you know, in financial situations that most people would crumble at. You know, when I talk to people about what I do and what I owe and things like that, people say, how do you sleep at night? You know, well, it's not so bad when everything's all going great, but when you have the hiccups, and I've had a lot of hiccups, you know, I've had COVID, I've had this goddamn interest rate changes. There was something before COVID, if I remember right. You know, it's just been every year there's something. And basically I've got enough properties and that behind me personally that I don't really need to be taking these risks anymore. So 2024 is definitely a no property purchase. I'm not doing it. I don't care what comes my way. Someone's offered me £500,000 for private financing, and no, me of a few years ago would have snapped that up, but me right now thinks I don't need the stress in my life. I'd rather get everything into a good place. Sorry, I'm just doing fans on car. Get into a good place, reevaluate in the summer maybe, when I've got a couple of projects completed, sold, on the market, refinance, you know, all that sort of thing, and then take it from there. You know, I have the client who came up on Sunday for a chat, James. You know, he's doing the right thing. He took last year off. He's taking it easy this year still. He's actually doing a uni course on accounting to fill his time up, just as something to do. I'm not doing that, but you know what I mean. He's taking a breather from this, you know, when property can be stressful, and just sorting out some other bits and bobs. So yeah, I'm just gonna reevaluate. Got Sean on site at my flip-on new church this week, so basement's completed, kitchen will be done. So that's what, 6-7 weeks off completion now, and then that's on the market, and that's a ticking box. My flip-on Tunnicliffe, the estate agent only contacted me yesterday. I thought we'd not had any interest in it at all since we listed it. He's had loads of bloody viewings. So got some feedback from them. Matt's in this week just to do some little things that people have picked up on. And then we've had a lot of interest in Daneswood. That's a client flip, especially since Christmas. Now that the interest rates are dropping, suddenly there's a lot more interest in that 250 grand upwards purchase area, because rates have dropped dramatically. So yeah, it looks like the market is definitely picking up now. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill my beans, as they say. I'm still gonna video the properties when I'm going on site, but whether I'm posting them on here or what, I don't know what I'm doing, in all honesty. I'm just gonna switch off and not think about this element, and then just see what happens. You know, just feeling mentally a bit tired. So yeah, the priority is your own mental health and your own physical health. There's no point in me aiming to, you know, dramatically cut back my working hours and relaxing in 6 years if I'm a complete and utter mental and physical mess. So that's it, signing off. Rambled enough, haven't I? See you when I see you.